Hey everyone, if you want to optimize images using remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to create clean, lightweight, and professional images for any platform. Image optimization means improving an image so it looks better and loads faster. Start with a clear, high-resolution image with good lighting and a focused subject. Go to the remove.bg website using your browser. Click Upload and select the image you want to optimize. Remove.bg will automatically remove distracting backgrounds to make your image cleaner. For optimization, use simple backgrounds like white or solid colors. Make sure your subject is centered and visually clear. Download your image as PNG or JPG depending on your needs. If you're using images for websites, you can compress them slightly for faster loading. You can now use your optimized images for websites, blogs, e-commerce stores, and social media. For best results, always use high-quality original images. A common mistake is using low-quality images and expecting improvement, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to optimize images using remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.